Okay, so all I got was the base game Kickstarter. So that includes this little poster guy here. Thank you, poster. It includes these deluxe marbles. We'll open those in a second. Includes the game. And this treasure trove mini expansion here. So first we open up the marbles. The company that made the game said that they outsourced these, and the quality apparently has not been that great. And I can tell right away, like, that's not round. It should be rolling. They're supposed to look more like lava than what the base marbles do. But that marble right there is sitting flat, right? So there's a big divot on there. So those are about in line with the quality that people were reporting on Kickstarter, so pretty poor. So now let's open up the box here. So a highly contentious thing with this Kickstarter has been the quality of the box, which the company Restoration Games has acknowledged has been poor. So let's go ahead and look at the tray here. So there's part of it. Already looks like mine's not sitting flat, so. Part 2, and that one's looks like it's sitting a lot flatter than what this one is.
Not on this side.
Okay, yeah, looks like it is bowed and sticking up in the air. And then here is the centerpiece. Where did it go? So that fits together pretty well, but yeah, this plastic is not sitting flat to the table. Let's check out the components here. So we've got our marbles that come with the game. So these were made by the same manufacturer, different manufacturer than the deluxe marbles. And all of these, from what I've read, have been pretty good in terms of quality. Got our palm trees here. Some palm tree tops. We've got the actual palm trees. Looks like we've got 2 bridges and a ladder. Quality on those seems to be all right. And then we've got these minifigures. So, blue minifigure, yellow, green, and purple. I don't know why they're not standing up unless they're not in the spot. There we go. So we have the Volcar figure here. He goes on the center of the island. Quality on that is pretty good. I don't know how that goes on there. Seems like a star cut out there, and there's a star here, but there we go. All right. Then we just have the cards, so I haven't opened those yet. But instructions, and we've got the cardboard bits that I've got to cut out, break out here. The quality on those seems like it's kind of flimsy. Yeah, it seems like they used a cardboard that wasn't quite as sturdy as what I would expect. But then the box, yeah, the box is like super flimsy. I guess it'll hold up. Some people have said that they don't think it'll hold up, but I guess depending on how rough you are with it, it should hold up. Anything else I should cover in this unboxing here? You don't know? I don't know how the trays not sitting flat on the table will affect gameplay. And if you watch this over here as I push down on it, I mean, you can see it flex. So I don't know, how that will affect marble roll, but I would imagine it would affect it somewhat. I don't know that it will overall affect gameplay though, as you're moving around. I mean, that flexes quite a bit there. So, I don't know. We'll have to play it and find out, I guess. Okay, so that is my unboxing video.